What's up, gentlemen? So it's been about 30 days since I launched my workout program, Tailored 6 Weeks to Living Lean, over on bodybuilding.com. It's an incredible program, and the feedback I've been getting has just been insane. Comments, emails from guys being like, yo, Alpha, oh my God, for the first time I'm seeing results, I'm looking incredible. And I'm glad because I busted my ass and basically put all of this knowledge in terms of fitness, diet, workouts into one 6-week program. The program is insane and I couldn't be more proud of it. If you haven't checked it out, guys, down below this video is a link to our landing page over on bodybuilding.com. There, you're going to find a discount code which allows you to shop for incredible products at an amazing price. You're also going to find my top 10 supplements. Some are designed to help you build bigger, stronger, more amazing muscles. Others are designed to specifically shred body fat, which is kind of what we're going to be talking about today. You'll also find videos that I've done talking about my 10 favorite supplements, how to build a better body, how to shred body fat, and kind of the behind the scenes of the filming of Tailored, the program that I put together with bodybuilding.com. There's also a link on our page where you can go and sign up or check out the program. It is incredible. Thousands of you have gone, and I couldn't be more excited to continue to hear the feedback and to honestly change some lives. Guys, bodybuilding.com link down below. It's incredible. Everything is there. But today, I'm going to talk about some stuff you can do at home to shred body fat. One of the biggest excuses I hear from guys is that I can't get in better shape. I don't have a gym membership. I don't have fancy equipment. I don't have the money. Blah, 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 blah. It's total and today I'm going to prove it. I'm going to do a series of videos. Some are going to be about building muscle at home without equipment, but today's video is all about body fat, shredding it. You don't need anything, not even a treadmill, but it does take you, your desire, and the ability to move your sexy ass. All right, gentlemen, so today we are going to burn some fat at home. I'm gonna show you 5 of my favorite HIIT workouts. HIIT stands for high intensity interval training. Think of a HIIT workout like a superset in the gym. You're stringing a few different exercises together in one like giant superset. And then you're gonna do this superset a few different times. I'm gonna go over 5 of my favorite. Now, even when you're resting during a HIIT workout, you're still doing some type of active rest, keeping your body moving. Most people do this. They do it for time. Like you're doing like 30 seconds of push-ups, you're doing 30 seconds of squats, and you're doing as many as you can in that time frame. For me, I don't like to mess with a timer or a clock, and so I count reps. And so the 5 supersets / HIIT workouts I'm going to show you are all about the number of reps. You can do them as fast or as slow as you want. Really, it depends on you and your fitness level. First up is jump rope. Jump rope, I said no equipment. Gentlemen, no equipment needed. It is a fake jump rope. You're going to jump just like this. Jump just like you're jumping. You're going to be doing 60 of these. All right? As high or as low as you want. You could even do one leg if you want. Pretend you're all like Rocky, cross it. Get freaky, get fun. You're going to do 60 of these. All right? When you're finished, you're going into 15 body weight squats. Right? Nice and deep. Head up, chest up, butt back. Going 15. All right? The jump rope is going to get your heart rate cranking. The body weight squats, you're still working your entire body. Your core is engaged. Nice and deep. 15. And when you're finished your 15, your legs are on fire, your heart, you're breathing heavy. What you're going to do, you're going to do step-ups. This is your rest. It's an active rest. You're stepping up and back. The way I count these, 1, 2, all right? 15, hands on your hip, 4. All right, this is your active rest. So that is the first HIIT workout, all right? You're jumping rope, 60 of them. Then you're going into 15 body weight squats, then 15 step ups and backs, all right? This is your rest right now. When you're finished resting, you're gonna do it again. For me, I like to do 5 to 8 times through that superset. All right, for this next one, we're going to be using the step. This is going to get your heart rate jacked up. What you're going to do is 1 foot up, you're going to jump up and down, all right here. You're going 30 reps. So 1, 2, all right, 3. We're going 30. It's kind of fun, right? Seriously, like there are worse, more sucky ways to get your heart rate up, that's for sure. Right here. All right, we're going 30. Once you get 30, and we're switching to step touches. What they look like, here, 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 here. We're getting 30. Whoa, mama, heart rate, cranking. I'm already feeling this and I didn't even do 30 of the last ones. Right here, all right, we're getting 30. And when you're finished your 30, your active rest, you're just stepping. My heart rate literally is already like crazy through the roof. Right here, this is your active rest. You're doing 30 simple step ups. When you're finished, it's time to get back to business. This is still like challenging. If you need to actually like just rest and sort of walk in place to bring your heart rate back down, you feel like you're like crazy out of breath, you can do that. You really just need to listen to yourself, your body, and don't hurt yourself. Now, before I show you the next exercise, I just want to talk real quick about fat loss. If you're looking to take your body fat losing game to the next level, you might want to check out this product. It's called Quadracarn. There's a link down below, like I said, to our bodybuilding.com page where I talk about this. This stuff is incredible. It's an L-Carnitine, which is an amino acid. It's a natural product. It's not a stimulant. When you combine it with this CLA, it is a fat-burning dynamic duo that I 100,000% believe is one of the reasons why I'm able to stay lean. On our bodybuilding.com landing page, all the way at the bottom, you'll see a bunch of videos. I go into a lot more detail about why this is so incredible, why the combination of CLA and L-Carnitine is critical, along with some of the other products and supplements I would recommend if you're trying to shred body fat fast. Next up, let's do some burpees. Burpee. Everybody loves doing burpees. Actually, everybody hates doing burpees, but they're incredibly effective. The way that it works, you're standing here, boom, you're going down, feet back, push up, and jump. That's one. You're going 15. 2. These suck. 3. 4. You get the idea. You're going 15. Once you nail 15, then we're going side hops. Way that it works, going here. 1, 2, 3. Getting 15. 4. Right here. 5, 6. Remember, guys, it's all about heart rate up. You don't need a treadmill. You don't need a gym. You need your body. And you need to work your ass off. We're going 15 of these. And at this point, your heart rate is going crazy through the roof. What I like to do is just walk it out. And that's a step up and back. Right here. 2. 15 reps. 15 seconds, 30 seconds, whatever you need to let everything sort of return to normal. This one is a killer. Burpees are a bitch. Any way you shake it. The idea, once again, 5 to 8 times through the cycle, and that is an effective cardio workout. You're in like 15, 20 minutes, you're out. That's all it takes to shred fat. Jump squats. Feet shoulder width apart, head up, chest up, butt back, and jump. 1, 2, if you have any knee problems, not the exercise for you, all right? You can do stationary, you can hold on to something, but what you're shooting for here, 15 reps, all right? Jump up, get your ass up. These suck. These suck pretty bad. They don't look like they'd be hard, but they are. 15 reps. Heart rate super up. Next up, you're going into a reverse lunge. What that looks like, I'll show you from here. You are standing up, reaching back, head up, chest up, and 1. All right, knee up. 2, right here. 3, right here. Boom. 4, right here. Boom. 5, 6. We're getting 10 on this side, and then we're going to switch and do 10 on this side. And it takes a little coordination. If you need to hold on to something, do it. Right? Boom. Right here. Then, after you get 10, then you're jumping rope. 30 seconds. Woo, this is a nasty one, baby. Super nasty. Going a little rocky, right? You got it, exactly. See, I'm such an incredible jump roper when I don't actually have a jump rope. And when you're finished, you're just walking. Because this one definitely has it up. I would say rest for about 15, 20 seconds. If you want to count, fine. Just your body will let you know. So listen to it. When you're done, hit it again, hit it again, hit it again. One more hit workout. Ready? Here it is. We're going 15, squat, touch. 1, 2, right here. 3, boom, right there. 4. We're going 15. On the right, once you're finished, you're gonna do the other side. Boom. Right here, we're going 15. All right? When you're finished with your 15, we're going 15 touches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 14, and 15. When you're finished, just stepping it up, baby. Stepping it up. 15 of those. Let your heart rate come back down a little. If you need to rest a little bit more, that's fine. If you want to throw in some push-ups, throw in push-ups. Gentlemen, that's the beautiful thing about HIIT workouts. It's all about you. What do you think? Willing to give it a try? I'm telling you, give it a shot, right? A few days a week, try a HIIT workout in order to burn body fat. 20, 30 minutes, you're in, you're out, your heart rate up, your body fat gone. It's incredible. Guys, if you dug this video, make sure to give it a big one of these, and I'll do some more. Next one, I'm thinking is sort of all about building muscle at home without equipment. Guys, you're incredible. You're beautiful. Now go get your ass to work. It's time to burn some body fat.